Hey friends! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to day 4 of 5. If you didn't already know, every single day this week, Monday through to Friday, I'm uploading a different trying to follow a YouTube tutorial. And for today's video, I'm going to be trying to follow the queen of DIY, LaurDIY. I've chosen 3 of her kind of recent DIYs that she's done. I'm going to try and follow them and complete them and make them look as cute as hers. Hopefully, fingers crossed. The ones that I've chosen seem pretty doable. She is the queen of making really simple, easy to follow but cute DIYs, so I'm hoping these are easy to follow and I get these done well, or at least to my standard of good. But yeah, if you haven't seen my previous 3 videos, all based around trying YouTube tutorials, I'll leave the little thumbnails here and a clickable I button up there with a playlist or links to all of the videos. I will also leave a link up in the top corner to Lauren's channel, and in the description down below I will hopefully remember to put a link to Lauren's channel as well. She is amazing. If you haven't seen LaurDIY, what are you doing? What are you doing? You need to go and check out her channel. Also, let me know in the comments down below how old you are and what your star sign is. I'm really interested to know how different your ages are to what my YouTube analytics say, and also I'm just really interested in your star signs. I'm a Scorpio if you didn't already know, and yeah, I just wanted to know, so let me know in the comments below and let's try to DIY. Okay, so the first DIY I'm going to be trying is vinyl bookends. So she's used an old record and then like bent it in water and made it into a bookend. Now, I was going to go to a charity shop or a thrift store, whatever you call it, and buy an old vinyl, but I was really scared that I'd be busy melting this thing and people would be in the comments like, that's a collector's item. So I thought it might be best if I just bought a new vinyl and then I'm hopefully not angering anyone. And this is an Ed Sheeran vinyl and I bloomin' love Ed Sheeran. He's one of my absolute favourite artists. Please no one get mad at me. I love Ed Sheeran. I'm sorry I'm gonna ruin his vinyl, but I didn't want to ruin a collector's item. I'm just saying. How cute is he? And also, his albums have been called Plus, Multiply, Divide. Do you think the next one will be called Minus? Like, do you think that's actually a thing? Because Minus doesn't seem as fun as Plus, Multiply, and Divide. And the symbol is just nothingness. Who knows? Look, some supermarket flowers. Okay, so, dun-dun-dun, we have our vinyl record, which says on it, this is side B. So, Lauren says, you fill up something with some boiling water, you put the vinyl in and it should just melt. We will see. Okay, we have our boiling water. Put this in and it should bend. It's not bending. Lauren, it's not bending. Is it bending? Oh, it's bending slightly. Keep going. This isn't working. I'm just gonna squidge this down like this at a 90-degree angle. And then it should like stay like this. Okay, that's not bad. However, I would have preferred it to maybe go a bit higher, but still, that's really cool. And it's like solid in place. You can just put this up and then have books behind it. That's really, really clever. However, I'm now wondering what kind of odd shapes I can make. Oh, it's fallen over. Quick, let me get some gloves on and see if I can make this into like a really pretty something or other. I don't even know what I'm going for with this. Okay, wait. Can you like shape it? You can totally make this into like a flower. Wait. Oh, I just got hot water on myself. Okay, so that is really quite easy to bend. I feel like with some practice you can make a bowl, like curve in the edges for like jewelry or something. How cool would that be? So obviously this DIY, it definitely works. You can bend vinyls, make them into bookends, and they look really, really good. It was really easy to do, but I definitely want to, a little bit later today, try and make an actual bowl out of this. I don't know if maybe you could put it in the oven and just kind of scrunch it up as it comes out, but look, it's just so malleable when it gets hot. Okay, the next DIY I'm going to attempt is the stress and anxiety bottle. So you basically shake it and then it goes all sparkly and you watch it and it should calm you a little bit. And basically, I don't think I can really make this go wrong, but I wanted to try it anyway. So Lauren says water, glue, food colouring, and then the sky is the limit. So I've gone with some glitter, some sequins, and I've gone with some pink food gel colouring, and we shall see how this goes. So I'm just going to tip out some of this, if I can open it. Let's open up our glue and squeeze it in, I guess. It's just kind of sinking to the bottom. So that's not good. It's not working. Let's give it a little stir and see what happens. Oh, good. I can't reach the bottom of the bottle. Let's add a little bit of food colouring. And I don't have normal, I only have gel, so let's hope for the best. Wait. Can we give it a little stir? I don't know if maybe I put too much in. I think I put too much colouring in. It looks a little bit like a fruit drink. We're going to add the glitter. This can't go any more wrong, surely. Let's add some glitter. The glitter is just sitting on the top. That's really good. I'm not very good at this DIY. This DIY does not look quite as fancy. And we'll add some sequins. They're all just kind of stuck at the top. I'm hoping I'm gonna give this a shake and magic will happen. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm not that happy with my creation. I definitely made the food colouring too dark. And the glitter's kind of clumping and it looks horrible. I'm going to tip some out and I'm going to add some water and hopefully it dilutes the food colouring just a little bit. I can see inside a bit clearer. The sequins just fall. When you tip it upside down, they float a little bit and then they just fall to the bottom. So the sequins aren't very helpful. The glitter's kind of nice. I guess I could watch it for a little while, but I also feel like I probably wouldn't use this DIY, and I did kind of a poor job at it. So we're gonna say it's a fail. However, definitely think you guys could do a better job than me. I'm sure you can. Just make sure you don't add quite so much food colouring as me because definitely ruined it. And I don't think sequins are that exciting. Okay, and final DIY, and this is the one that I will probably do the worst at. I'm not very good with clothing or fashion or DIY clothing, I don't think. I'm not too sure if I've tried much, but I don't think I'm very good at it. So the final DIY I'm going to try is a cropped hoodie. So I bought this hoodie, it's from Primark. It's actually very, very soft. I feel like I may go back and get another one to wear as a hoodie. It's really, really nice. But yeah, I got this from Primark. I think it was £7. It's got a nice little hood on it, and it says on it, "Bonjour weekend, hello weekend." It's a nice hoodie, it's really nice. And basically, we're gonna ruin it. I'm gonna cut it along here, and I probably won't do a very good job of it, but who knows? Who knows? I could be the best fashion designer in town, and I just don't know my talents yet. I'm not, but I could be. So we are folding it inside out. And then we're going to mark on it where we want to make the cuts. So let me find a pen. Got myself a pen. So the front of the hoodie goes pretty darn high, and then the back of the hoodie goes pretty normal. So I'm gonna go like here, and we're just gonna do a nice big oval shape type thing and hope for the best. So I'm gonna go to here. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, that looks like a pretty even line. I'm actually quite impressed with myself. A nice straight line from here to here. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. I feel like I want to go kind of close to the line, but not on the line first. Maybe I should start my own trend. While everyone's wearing the top of a hoodie, I can wear the bottom of it and like store my phone and stuff in here. Look, my outfit has no pockets, no worries. Got my bottom hoodie, got some pockets. Okay, I have cut it. It is now barely there. There is no point wearing this hoodie because there's barely any clothing. However, we now have our hoodie, which kind of still says Bonjour Weekend. It kind of still has the writing on it. Look. I feel like I might have gone too high. I don't know. I'm gonna go and get a tank top on so we can see how this looks. I've put a little leotard on just because I feel like something fitted underneath it works a bit better than a baggy top. And we're just gonna put this on. It feels like I'm putting nothing. It feels like I'm just putting sleeves on. I don't hate it, but I don't think I quite love it. I don't know how I feel about this trend in general. let alone me DIYing it. I definitely think the back is a bit too short, and I think I could potentially have come a bit lower on here maybe. And I also feel the need to keep pulling it down. It keeps kind of getting around my neck, which makes me want to pull it down, and I keep going like, oh, where is it? Oh wait, it's all the way up here if I want to pull it down. It's a bit of an odd one. Hey friends. Most people would wear this and they look really cool and like fashionable and trendy. I think I look like a bit of an oddball, so probably not the fashion for me. However, the DIY wasn't too bad. I definitely think I cut it a little bit too short, but if I were to do it again, cut it a little bit longer, it works. I think it looks pretty much the same as a shop bought one, maybe just a little bit too short. Other than that, that was a pretty simple DIY. The only thing is, surely buying one first as a cropped hoodie is cheaper than buying a full hoodie and cutting half of it off. I don't know how it works. I'm not too sure. That is it for today's video. That's the final DIY. I really do hope you enjoyed. As I said, I will be uploading another video tomorrow, so make sure you're there. Yeah, give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.